Hi, this is Becky Gromlich with the Watercolor Classroom and Tuesday's Tips. Today we're going to talk about how to make things in a landscape look far away and how to make them look close up. This is basically Perspective 101. It's for beginners, although sometimes these things can help people that are more advanced too. And so I've already put the sky, mountains, and some trees. There are some basic rules for perspective that are always there in a landscape. One is things in the front are bigger, more detailed, and have more contrast. And things in the back are fuzzier, grayer, and have less contrast. Another thing is that the sky is darker at the top than at the horizon, which I failed to do, but it would make it have better distance if I had done that. And this mountain edges are fuzzy. And then these posts that I already painted in, they are bigger and more detailed in the front. And then they are barely there in the back. I've used some Frisket to put some daisies on. You can see they're bigger in the front and they're just barely speckles in the back. And we're gonna go on and put our grasses in. So grayer and bluer and fuzzier in the back. So basically, I'm just going to do a wash back here. And some of my trees came down into that, so I'm going to try to get them off. And then as it comes forward, it'll get darker. And then might not necessarily get darker, but it will get brighter as it comes forward. Notice I'm going right across my posts. I totally forgot they were there. So there we have that basic look. And then I'm going to dry so that those posts don't spread any further. Now we're going to put some grasses in. And the back is going to be grayer or purpler. And it's like barely there, dots. And then as we come forward, they'll get a little bit bigger. Not quite that big, they still need to be pretty short. An idea by the posts, like the grasses might be as tall as a post. And then as we come forward, we're gonna get more intense. And I don't necessarily want them bright green, but I want them darker. So for the very front, I'm gonna use a hake brush and get some bigger, thicker things in here. As you can see now, this painting, it's just fuzz back here where the daisies are in the back, and as you come forward they get bigger and the posts get bigger. Probably could have made this post bigger in proportion to these daisies to make a really good perspective. But now I'm going to add some barbed wire. Maybe I should have a rust color. I think that would look better. Because barbed wire always, maybe I could put it back here a little bit. Just a hint of it back here because it would be hidden and smaller. And then up here we're gonna make it darker, and I'll probably add a little bit of black to make it really show. And it gives the idea of this old fence and it brings the perspective forward. If you liked this video, please hit the subscribe and the like and the bell if you want notifications. Thank you so much for watching.